Hey guys, Tom here, Off Leash Canine Training. We have a super cute, super adorable 5-month-old golden doodle named Marley. Marley has gone through our puppy consults. What a puppy consult is, it's where owners get a brand new puppy, they call us up, one of my trainers goes to your home, sits down with you, and pretty much goes over everything you need to do to get your dog on the right track for puppy potty training, crate training, confidence building, so that when we get them at 5 months or older, they're already on their way to being that much of a more amazing, awesome, obedient dog. So there's no major issues with Marley, just the typical puppy stuff. Owners have done a real good job setting a foundation. I don't think Marley knows actual commands yet, but the crate training's going well, the potty training's going well. So I'm gonna give you a quick demo of what Marley knows right now on day 1 of training. So come here, Marley.
Come here, baby. Hey, girl. Oh, you're so cute.
Marley, sit. Good girl. Down. Nope. Sit. Good. Down. 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 No. Will you place for me? Marley, place. 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 No? You can sit like a champ though, huh? Down. Good girl. Place. Place. She's a jumper, typical puppy. Nips a little bit, we'll take care of all that stuff. So as you can see, she probably knows sit. I'm not sure if she downed because I told her to, or if she was just doing a little puppy play. Not sure. So she's jumping, we're gonna fix that. I'm gonna take her out front real quick so show you how she does on a walk, see how bad that is. Fix that. We're gonna get her awesome healing on the left-hand side, speeding up when I speed up, slowing down when I slow down, even without this leash. Look forward to showing you her progress.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. 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 listening? Damn.